Welcome to our step-by-step guide to DIY emergency sprinkler system repairs. In this video, we will walk you through the process of fixing common issues that can occur with your sprinkler system. Whether you're dealing with a leak, a broken sprinkler head, or a faulty valve, we've got you covered. So let's get started. The first step in any DIY repair is to assess the problem. Is your sprinkler system not turning on at all, or is it only certain zones that are affected? Check for any visible signs of damage, such as broken sprinkler heads or leaks in the pipes. Make sure to also check the control valves and the irrigation controller. By identifying the specific issue, you'll be able to proceed with the appropriate repair. Before starting the repair, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials. These may include a pipe cutter, PVC glue, pipe fittings, replacement sprinkler heads, Teflon tape, and a wrench. Having everything ready before you begin will save you time and frustration. Leaks in sprinkler heads are a common issue. To fix a leaking sprinkler head, you'll need to dig around the head and remove it from the riser. Inspect the O-ring and the filter screen for any damage or debris. Replace them if necessary. Apply Teflon tape to the threading of the new sprinkler head and screw it back onto the riser. Make sure to tighten it securely. Finally, test the sprinkler to ensure the leak is fixed. If you have a broken pipe in your sprinkler system, start by cutting out the damaged section using a pipe cutter. Make sure to measure the replacement piece accurately. Apply PVC glue to the fittings and the pipe ends, then connect them together. Allow the glue to dry before turning the water on. Use a PVC primer and cleaner for best results. Check for any additional leaks and secure the repaired pipe in place. If you're experiencing problems with your sprinkler valve, check for any debris or blockages. Clean the valve diaphragm if necessary and replace it if damaged. Inspect the wiring connections and ensure they are secure. If the valve is not opening or closing properly, it may need to be replaced. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for your specific valve model. Once the valve is repaired or replaced, test the system to ensure it's functioning correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the DIY emergency sprinkler system repairs. By following this step-by-step guide and having the right tools and materials, you can save time and money by fixing common sprinkler issues on your own. Remember to perform regular maintenance on your system to prevent future problems. Thanks for watching.